So the time is 12:35 in the morning, and well, Eagle Freak is kind of shutting down. Yeah, I know, I'm a little bit stunned by it too. But as it turns out, well, let me tell you the story to begin with. So I think it was Friday, I got a Discord call from Ryan, and he shows off this Indiegogo campaign, and I'm kind of going, what's this for? And then I start reading a little bit more into it, and he's talking about a new field, all these different things they can do through the audience. And what he actually ends up explaining to me is that he has had an offer to basically that will help him to expand the Eagle Freak field, which is now called the American Airsoft Club, by the way. We changed the name a few months ago, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to call it the Eagle Freak Finale. Oh, spoilers, you'll see why in a second. And whilst I'm really excited for the possibilities that a new field provides, I'm also kind of a little bit sad and a little bit sentimental of the field that we've been at. So I just finished up the photo shoot. I think I got a lot of good pictures that I can use, and now I'm on to the editing bay.
So here's one of them that I came up with poster-wise. And the good news is he really likes them. And here is the other one that I was working on. So we also need to do, so what I need to do now is make a couple of them perfectly square so that Instagram can accept them.
So here I am with my bed head bright and early in the morning. Yeah, but today is the last day of Eagle Freak, the original field. So I am going to work, play, a little bit of both. We'll see. So, here it is. Last day of play at this field. I'm gonna miss it. Last day though, I did kind of want to do something special. So specifically for the last day, I set up my light bulb on the ref tower and asked to borrow Ryan's gas blowback rifle, which turned out to be a lot of fun. I couldn't imagine a more perfect gun to send the field off with.
Dead man walking. Back down. Oh, my bad.
One of the cool things about this rifle is it functioned much like a real one. 30 shots in a magazine, and when empty, you'd replace the mag and release a bolt catch, which made reloads quite thrilling.
I think I heard something clap. Go walk back. Dead walking. Hit. Hit. Right back down. Ready, set, go, go, go!
Because it was the last day, oftentimes Ryan, Payson, and I would all be playing whilst we were reffing, making for impromptu round starts.
Nice, nice. My bad. Lights down. There you go. Hit. Hit. What are you doing over here? Hit. Woo. Hit. Hit. What the heck? Oh, it's out. I was like, man, I looked in the chamber earlier. Apparently I only had one round in the chamber left. Oh man, I love that so much. Not bad.
As the day progressed, though, I did start running into the occasional jamming issue.
Bradley, hit!
Ah-ha.
Oh, I'm dead.
Hit. Okay. Yeah, stay in there. You at him. Go, go, go!
So, after running into the jamming issues, I started using my friend Alex's gun, which is a Crytek, and in spite of it just being a standard M4, I was finding I was doing quite well with it. I'm thinking it might have been the fake EOTech he had been using, working great with my mask or something.
Push up. Hit. Ah. Turn that down. Yep. Right side. Right, me and you push up now. Go. I'm going to the left. Right side! Contact down. Try pushing in. Hit. Middle section, just have 2 people inside. Come back. Stay low and go. Stay low and keep next to you. Come on. Stay low. Get over here. Come on. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Hit. Go back down. There you go. That's what you do. Keep on coming, move up. buddy. Come on. Come back down. Clear. Out of ammo. Here, bitch, reload, man. This one right on the corner. Yep, see him? Watch that corner. Nice shot. Nice work. Hit. Yep, not gonna shoot you. Move on. Not feeling sick. Yep, move on. Whoop. Yep. Yep. Hit. Not a good angle for us. My bad. Go, guys. Move. Now remember, suppress the shit. First out the door, we need to suppress. My bad. Got one.
I don't know when to go.
Yeah, I kind of got a plan together. Sorry. Came in the wrong time. Okay, clear in here. Push up. Push up. Nice work. Good work. Keep together. Got it now. One behind the white door. Hit. Guys, gotta give up the right pull for now. We gotta put the left. That final one, we're all gonna suppress that last one. Close, green. Okay. So the green is to the right, and the guy right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, it's present, my bad. Move up! Really needs help! Got it down. Get me? You got me? Oh, no. I totally got me. Come on, get on it. Why don't you get it on? There we go. Hit. Guys. Last step, you got the first pull. You need to suppress the shit until you get that last pull. Alright? Everyone's gonna die to do this. Ready? Suppress! Go, move! Keep your heads down! Move up! Lock the noise! Get locking. Push it up, guys, push it up. Game over! Ceasefire! Game over! Whew. That's done with it, right? Yep. Oh.
And, well, as the day came to a close, I sort of thought back and I reminisced about how much I'd miss it. Those crazy times I'd pulled ahead, those insane times when I'd been destroyed, all the friends I'd made, all the airsoft guns I'd shot, all of it. You know, I'd miss it. But just like how a home isn't the house, but the family, I think the same is true for airsoft. Just because the field's ending doesn't mean our community is. In fact, I get the feeling it's just the beginning. I'll see you guys January 1st when the new field opens. In the meantime, have a great day, and that's all, folks.